How to renew your driver's license online. If you are 79 years of age or older, you can now renew your driver's license online. This video will show you how. Hello, I am Natalie. Previously, to renew your driver's license, you have to visit an MVD field office in person every year. You must still renew your driver's license every year, but you now have the option of completing your renewal online 1 year, and then renewing in person at an MVD field office the following year. In those years when you must renew in person, you can make an appointment by calling 888-683-4636. Or you can make an appointment online at mvdonline.com. Another video on this YouTube channel explains how to make an appointment online to visit a field office. Appointments are required for all state MVD field offices. As long as you renew before the expiration of your driver's license, you do not need to submit a new vision report as long as it is current. If your vision report form, MVD 10125, is no longer current, you can submit a new one online at mvdonline.com and scrolling down to the Forms section of the page, then selecting Submit Medical Documentation. Once the report has been accepted by MVD staff, you will be notified, and you can complete the online renewal. Now, let's review how to renew your driver's license online. One option is to click on the Online Services tab, which is located in the top left corner of the MVD webpage, and then click on the eServices option. Or from the MVD webpage, you can select the options, driver's licenses and IDs, driving credentials, and renew a driving credential. The Renew a Driving Credential webpage will appear. Then, click on the Here link to proceed to eServices. Another option to renew your driver's license is to scroll down on the MVD webpage to the Online Services section of the page, and click on the Renew or Replace Your Driver's License option. The My MVD Online Services page appears. Click on the option Renew or Replace My New Mexico License or ID, which is found under the Driver's License section of the page. The Issuance Renewal and Replacement page appears, explaining important information that you should know about renewing your driver's license. Read the page in its entirety so that you are aware of relevant information. Then, click on the Next button located at the bottom of the page to proceed. The driver validation page will appear. You should have your driver's license number, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number available, as these are required fields. Required fields are identified by a red asterisk. After entering all of the required information, click on the Next button, located at the bottom of the page, to proceed to the next screen. The Real ID or Standard ID page appears next, verifying your name, date of birth, and driver's license number. Enter your email address and phone number. Verify that all information is correct. Then, click Next to proceed. The License ID information screen appears, verifying if the license is a renewal or a replacement. In this example, it shows that this is a renewal transaction and reflects a new driver's license expiration date. Please verify that all information is correct and then click Next. The Residential Address page provides an opportunity to update your physical address. If your address has changed, please click Yes to update it and enter your new address, then click Next. At the Mailing Address screen, if the mailing address is different from the residential address, click Yes to the question, would you like to change your mailing address, and choose the relevant option from those listed on the menu. If there is no change to your mailing address, click No and then click Next to proceed. You will have an opportunity to verify your demographics. You can update your eye color, hair color, height, and weight. You can also indicate if you are hearing impaired. Click Next once you have completed updates to your demographic information. The system will automatically send the record through federal verification. Once you encounter the Pass Federal Verification notification, click Next. The voter registration screen will allow you to register to vote. If you have already registered, there is no need to re-register. If you would like to register to vote, click Yes and answer all 6 questions that follow. Then, click Next to proceed. If you are not interested in registering to vote, click No, and then click Next to proceed. Next, you will be asked to answer driver's license application questions, including whether you wish to become an organ donor, also whether you have a previous driver's license or ID card. There are also several medical questions. Please answer yes or no to all of the questions presented. Some questions will require that you click a checkbox to affirm that selections are true. After you have answered all of the required questions, click Next. On the License Term and Fees page, verify the license term, expiration date, and fees. Any driver over the age of 79 will receive a license, which is good for 1 year only, at no cost. Click Next to proceed. Review the renewal summary page. If all information is correct, click Submit. The confirmation page will appear, indicating that the online renewal is complete. You can expect to receive your new driver's license in the mail within 45 days. You may check the status of your license on the mvdonline.com webpage using the Where's My License link located in the driver's license section of the page. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, How to Renew Your Driver's License Online, for those aged 79 or older. This video was written and produced by Motor Vehicle Division, or MVD staff. The narrator was created using artificial intelligence or AI technology. If you have questions, please call MVD at 888-683-4636.